Been feeling trapped down.
And I'm gonna be in here with Katie supervising.
Like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't.
It actually broke.
No one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail. Away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go.
Is this honey room? No, it's glue.
Feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go up.
True meaning of poop deck.
It's going!
We go bottoms up.
I'll reach my hands out and look. Even the best fall times.
What are you doing, Gabe? Drinking some water. Are you embarrassed by me?
Yes.
What? Rude. Today I am painting in here. Okay, so basically, every time that I paint in this boat, I always get paint in my hair. So, today I'm going to try to not get paint in my hair.
I already painted and I got it on my shirt.
Should we see by the end of the day who's covered in more paint? We don't want to be covered in paint.
Yeah, I peeled off paint on my hands because I was satisfied.
You better not get paint in your hair either.
I'm not.
We'll update them. Currently I have no paint on my shirt.
I'm gonna be
No paint on my pants.
I'm gonna be watching
She
Katie.
has paint on her shirt though.
Yeah. And I'm gonna be in here with Katie supervising.
Supervising me? Wow. Okay. What is this? 3 coats? And not very much on my legs. Look at that. I'm pretty proud of myself. Okay. Yeah. Hey Mom, guess what? What? I got no paint in my hair. Yay! For the first time in Katie painting history. But the painting isn't finished yet. There's still time. Wait, what's that music that's like?
Somebody hold this up.
I need me to come over and hold that up. We are trying to get this done on a
Budget?
on a budget, yes, on a budget, but on a timeline because Todd's got a job he's got to go look at to make us some money to contribute to that budget. Oh, okay, you want me to hold it right there in the middle?
Or you can go find me a screw gun and a screw and I can put a screw in it.
I can hold it, that's fine.
Watch out. If you hold the wrong spot, you'll get burned.
Alright.
With glue.
It is hotter than heck in this BERTH.
I wanna go the other way. I wanna go the other way.
And we are trying to get this done quickly. And whenever you're trying to get something done quickly, it's like it's asking for trouble. And we have rain clouds headed our direction. We can hear thunder in the distance. And the 4x8 sheet goods are outside. We've covered them up the best we can, but we really need to get them cut and brought in the boat before it starts raining.
So sometimes when you're making a template for odd shapes, this is kind of a nice way to do it.
Mommy.
Cheap thin wood, ripped it about 1.5 inches or 2 inches wide. But then you can kind of cut things and glue them to make the corners, pull this whole template out, and then draw it out on your board, cut it, and it's supposed to fit. Supposed to.
Liberty's taking out all my army.
She's taking out your army? What are you playing?
Chess. And she took out like 3 of them. Just 3. But she's not being a good sport.
Okay. Can I tell you I hate chess? I never learned how to strategize the way some people do.
Nate kicked my butt at chess on the trip, and then I kicked his butt at checkers, but I think he let me win.
Wait, it was my turn.
That feels good. And the kids are being super noisy, so you kind of get what you can get when you're videoing with kids around.
I can't have everybody in here. I don't have room for you guys.
So this project was my idea. Rather than just paint the wood that's here, I wanted beadboard in certain places in here to make it look nicer. My husband is a very patient man.
Yeah! Now we have to restart. We're gonna play Jenga.
We just bought a bunch of games to keep here at the boat because they get bored pretty fast. But we try to bring the kids and keep them involved. But these little girls, there's really not very much that they can do on their own unsupervised. So yeah, it was time to teach them to play chess.
I'm trying to get all my cons out of the way. I knew I would figure to that, then it was my turn.
How's it coming?
The templates are done.
There. Done?
Yep.
Now the question is, can you get them out of here without them coming apart?
If I can't, then there's no way I glue them in one piece, is there?
Jump over her.
You should have jumped me.
What you playing?
I'm playing Simon. Dad,
Huh?
did you get that one out okay? This one won't come out.
I had to flex it. I'm going to see if I can flex this one too, because hopefully I can flex the new one coming in.
Because we can't really get it out. Got it! Yay! Dad, what are we gonna do?
We're going to make our panel.
Okay. Dad's measuring.
So I'm going to try to make this in the middle if I can, or close to it.
What do you need help with? It's very bright.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
You could like lay it down.
Alright, so put this thing back over there.
Alright. I got a giant skirt.
Okay.
We're about to get cutting.
There.
Where's the jigsaw? Is it upstairs?
Alright. Can you see me?
Yes.
Can you see the blade?
Yeah, I can see the blade.
So this is a...
Not up there. Okay.
Right there?
Yes.
My videographer is telling me where to stand to do this. So
Can't see your face.
this is called a down cut blade because the teeth point down. So if you're cutting from the top side of your board, the teeth will cut down and any chipping will be on the bottom side of the board instead of on the top. So that's what I'm going to use on this panel.
Yep.
Alright, now you can maybe get the camera, you can get a close up of me.
Alright, I'll get the camera.
Alright, here we go. So let's go upstairs and see if we can get it in the boat.
Okay. Mom! Mom!
What?
Dad wants you to come to the back of the boat to help him.
We're gonna see if we can get it to go in. All right, so what I had to do is when I get it down in here, I have to flex it and bend it. Okay?
Okay.
We
So,
can get a good
Shall I
view
get
right here.
side in.
Oh,
Too much?
broke.
Well, hold on to it.
It broke.
Yeah, I can see that. Well, that didn't work out so well.
How are we gonna fix it?
I don't know. We might.
So we have to do a second one of that one because the other one broke when we were trying to get it into the boat. it snapped when we were trying to get it because it was too big.
Okay,
It's a big bummer.
take
Whoop.
2.
Take 2. Alright, what?
So to show you what happened on the last board, we had to flex it to get it to fit inside the boat. And what I hadn't considered was the fact that these beads on the bead board are weaker, so as we flexed it, it actually broke on one of the beads to the bead board. So we got to be more careful getting this one in, and I hope it'll work.
Alright, let's try this again. Hopefully it doesn't break.
Is that the same one? You got the same one again?
It's
Yeah, I had enough to do this one twice, but we got to see if we can figure out how to get it in there without it breaking.
That's the same way.
I know it's the same way. And
don't break it, Dad.
It's not gonna work.
what other choice do we have? Maybe if we flex it backwards, maybe it'll be stronger.
I don't think so.
No?
Oh.
Not again.
Well, you're gonna just have to glue it together.
How are we gonna get the other one?
See if they're broken in different spots so that I can take the 2 of them and put them together. I don't know if I
This
can.
one you can just put together easy.
Maybe.
Yeah, it broke right on the line. I think
Okay, I got one more that we got to flex to get in.
maybe we need to bring it in the front.
Front one isn't any bigger,
Yes, the front hatch is much bigger.
is it?
That's why the air conditioning unit is in there.
Much wider one way, but I got to take the whole thing apart in order to do this. Not on my list.
Breaking these and making them ugly wasn't on our list.
No, because that's 20 bucks a board.
So what are we gonna
See if
do?
the other one will fit at all. I don't know. Find out.
Well, if we break it, then we're really screwed.
Well, I don't want to break that one. Well, here, let me see. I got the template over here. So this is the other one.
It's not going to come in.
It doesn't have to flex as much though.
Yeah, it does. Look at how much that is. It won't go that much.
You don't think it'll go that much?
We're going to have to go through the front hatch. Go take it over the front hatch and see if it looks like it will work.
Theoretically, it'll work.
We don't want another broken thing, otherwise we'll have to buy new boards.
Yep.
It's gonna be so annoying. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the video now. It's filming. Okay, good.
Recording?
Wait, is the red button? Yes. Okay.
Mom coming?
Mom's already there. Alright. Mantel, cut out the square that was on it.
We got one of them in here.
Yep. Just one. Dad's still working on the other one. Dad, you ready? Dad? You ready?
Nope. Are you taking this?
Yeah.
In the truck? Or up there?
Truck. Are you packing up? Dad, are you packing up?
Yes.
Darn it. We've run out of time. Todd's got to go meet somebody about that job. And we've got the speed board that broke twice.
I want to play with you, Mommy.
You want to play with me?
Yeah.
You think you'll win?
We should play it when we get back if we're gonna leave.
Yeah.
I think I'll win. When are we leaving?
Now.
Okay, then at a sailor.
Okay, so where are we at with those, Dad?
I think I can fix that one,
So how
but
about
not today.
the other one?
We have to take that apart to bring it in, and I'm not prepared to do that tonight. It'll probably come in there, but it's actually we can put one corner in further and get it in, so we should be able to get it in that way. But I got to pull this out,
Mommy?
which is anchored securely so that it can't be easily broke into from the outside without a crowbar. Keeps the honest people honest.